Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me. And today I want to tell you very interesting story for you. This one is about Shabnam. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Now listen carefully to the story and enjoy. Sabnam was a little girl. She lived in a small village called Rampur. The village was green and beautiful, but life was hard. Sabnam's family was poor. Her father was a farmer and her mother sold vegetables. Sabnam was only 8 years old, but she had a big dream. I want to be a doctor, she said. Her father smiled. Sabnam, becoming a doctor is very hard. We don't have enough money, he told her. But Sabnam didn't give up. I will study hard, she said. I will find a way, she said. Every day Sabnam walked to school. She didn't have shoes and her bag was old, but she didn't care. Sabnam loved her school. Her teacher, Miss Maria, was very kind. Miss Maria told her, Sabnam, you can do anything if you work hard. At night, when the village was quiet, Sabnam studies. She read her books under a small lamp. She knew her dream was far away, but she believed in herself. Shabnam's journey had started. She wanted to change her life and help others person. Every morning, Shabnam wake up early. The sun was not up yet, but Shabnam was ready. She packed her old books and started walking to school. The school was far away. Shabnam had to walk for 1 hour. The road was not easy. Sometimes it was muddy and her feet got dirty. Other times the sun was very hot and she felt tired. On the way, Shabnam saw cows, goats, and big trees. She liked the birds that sang in the trees. One day I will drive a car to school, Shabnam thought. At school, Shabnam didn't have new books or pencils. Her notebook was small and almost full. But she didn't stop writing. Miss Maria, her teacher, gave Shabnam extra papers to write on. Thank you, Miss Maria, Shabnam said with a big smile. Miss Maria always said, Shabnam, you are smart. Keep working hard. After school, Shabnam walked home again. She was tired but happy. She had learned something new. even though the walk was long and hard. Shabnam knew it was worth it. Every step brought her closer to her big dream. Miss Maria was Shabnam's teacher. She was kind and always smiled. Miss Maria loved teaching and helping her students. One day, Miss Maria saw Shabnam staying after class. Shabnam was reading a big book. It had many difficult words. Shabnam, why are you reading this book? Miss Maria asked. I want to be a doctor, Miss Maria, Shabnam said. But it is hard. I don't understand all the words. Miss Maria sat next to Shabnam. Shabnam, you are very smart, she said. I know you can do it. You just need to work hard and never give up. Shabnam's eyes lit up. Really, Miss Maria? Do you think I can be a doctor? Yes, Shabnam, Miss Maria said. You can be anything you want. Always dream big and remember I am here to help you. From that day, Miss Maria gave Shabnam extra lessons after school. She taught Shabnam new words and how to solve math problems. Thank you, Miss Maria, Shabnam said. I will study hard. I will make you proud. Miss Maria smiled. I am already proud of you, Shabnam, she said. Shabnam felt happy and strong. With Miss Maria's help, she knew her dreams could come true. Shabnam's family lived in a small house. They didn't have much money. Her father worked in the fields and her mother made bread to sell in the village. One evening, Shabnam's mother said, Shabnam, we cannot buy new books for school. We don't have enough money. Shabnam felt sad. She needed books to study, but she didn't want to trouble her parents. I will share books with my friend Amina, Shabnam said. It will be okay, Mama. After school, Shabnam helped her mother. She cleaned the house and took care of her little brother. Sometimes she helped her father carry water from the well. Even when she was tired, Shabnam always did her homework. She studied late at night under a small lamp. Her father saw her one night. Shabnam, you work so hard, he said. Yes, Baba, Shabnam said. I want to be a doctor. I will help people one day. Her father smiled. You make us proud, Shabnam, he said. Shabnam knew her family struggled. But she was determined. She promised herself, I will not give up. I will work hard for my dreams. She worked hard for many days and later became a good doctor. She treated the sick people of the village for free and brought happiness in everyone's life. Now Shabnam's dream and her happiness had been fulfilled. Shabnam bought a new house for her parents. She built a hospital in her village in which she treated people. Shabnam proved that if a person has passion, he can do anything in the world. So friends, if you like this video, please do not to forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. My all dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video.